Hi, welcome to my Friday follow-ups. Today is not Friday for me. I don't know about you, but I just wanted to come on here and give you a little bit of update on Friday follow-ups. Now, that's part of my daily Visions of Excellence series, and my intention is to do things daily. However, yesterday, which would have been my Friday, I was organizing, putting things away, getting ready for the holidays, that kind of thing. Have you ever like twisted and you went, like you have no idea what happened, but something happened and it pretty much throws you to the ground? Well, that's what happened to me yesterday on my Friday. So, as part of my Friday follow ups, I want to follow up saying how much I'm grateful for essential oils as I made a recipe. I have the recipe here. It has celery seed, marjoram, copaiba, rosemary, frankincense, and lemongrass. All of the wintergreen too. All of those oils put together make an awesome blend that really truly, along with Deep Blue Rub, make all the difference in you feeling that ouch, that thing, that tension just builds up or something snaps or whatever happens. And it has given me great relief. However, it kept me from doing the things I had planned on doing on my Friday. So also, as part of Friday follow ups, not only should you have the oils on hand, but have the tools and resources to help you to know what to use, such as the recipes. So, I have a lot of really great recipes, which I will share doing my different videos, which, if you've seen them before, you've seen them. However, for today, I wanted to follow up on our oil of the week, which is turmeric, which I don't have sitting here because I actually put it in my coffee today. It's amazing. I use a oat milk and then I put a drop of the turmeric in there, shake it all up with the milk, and then put it into my coffee. And it is delicious. It's that nice, smoky, yummy, helps with the digestive system. And remember, we've had holidays, so it's a refreshing way to spice up your drink. So that is a good Friday follow-up tip for you, is to use a drop of that turmeric inside your coffee creamer and then add it to your coffee. It's yummy. And my other Friday follow up is that we are in the middle of a very awesome month in doTERRA, November. And I have an amazing special for anybody who doesn't have their wholesale account set up yet. And I would love to extend that to you. So if you are looking for a holiday blessing kit of additional team perks that I love to give, along with getting some oils into your home so that you can be proactive when those things come up that are like, then I can help you get started. So just message me. My email is yourfriend@rosalieelliott.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. And now I'm going to move on to my next video for today, which is about superstars, and I will be doing that shortly. So have a great day, everybody. And remember, have those essential oils on hand so when things come up in life, you're prepared. Have a great day. Bye.